What's up, YTV? You're listening your boy DJY, and we're back with another episode. You already know that last night was really big in measure. We had premiere of BMF, Black Mafia Family. This is upcoming TV series about legendary Big Mitch. So after party was really crazy. 50 Cent brings out DaBaby, Snoop Dogg, Cheap, Florida, G-Unit on the stage. Man, this was really hip hop celebration. Here on the screen you're watching beautiful Cuban Link, Lil Mitch. Man, what a show, bro! Man, last night was so special. It was like a birthday of 50 Cent. Man, really, this is birthday, first steps of the BMF. I'm sure that you will enjoy this TV series. This is crazy, man. After the Power, 50 Cent continues successful movie career, man. This is crazy. Big shout out and love to Curtis Jackson. So during the show, the fans was screaming, G-Unit, G-Unit, man, we want a reunion of G-Unit, bro. So energy was crazy, the vibe was, man, 50 knows how to make some major shows, bro. This was really crazy night. Honestly, I'm sure that Big Mitch is proud of the show. Free Big Mitch. I hope that he will be out very soon.
Lala at the BMF premiere. I play Markeisha, and BMF is going to be the most amazing show on television, so don't miss it.
So guys, before I will finish the video, I want to show you exclusive interview with DaBaby.
Hey man, what you expecting to see tonight? They taking it for the childhood.
Exactly.
You're not even gonna see Atlanta like the third series.
Right. I'm a fan of all their work, man. You know what I'm saying? This is starting short right here. I'm a fan of all their work, everything they put together. So it'll be like.
Honestly guys, now I guess why 50 Cent is not part of the versus battle. Bro, he's doing some major things, bro. He have new upcoming TV series BMF on the way. It's to measure its own another level without doubt. So stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com where you will see updates about BMF. Also guys, we have another news for you. Legendary hip hop group Fugees reunited. They have some world tour on the way. This is crazy. And don't forget about my man Lazy Bone. Happy birthday goes to OG El Burner Lazy Bone of Bone Thugs and Harmony. Much love. I love you, big bro. I love Uncle Lele. It's yours truly, DJY. God bless you. Peace.